Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to explain Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. So without wasting our time, let us move to the whiteboard. Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. By Newton's backward interpolation formula, we have f of xp is equal to f of xn plus ph, and this is equal to yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus p plus 1 p plus 2 into p plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into del raised to 4 yn plus and so on. Say this is equation number 1. This is equal to, I will write first yn as it is, plus p into del yn as it is, plus, if you simplify this, p into p plus 1, p into p plus 1 is equal to p square plus p divided by 2 factorial is 2 del square yn, right, as it is, plus, similarly you have to multiply p into p plus 1 into p plus 2. P into p plus 1 into p plus 2 is equal to p cube plus 3p square plus 2p divided by 3 factorial is nothing but 6 del cube yn plus, now at last multiply p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into p plus 3. If you simplify, you will get p raised to 4 plus 6p cube plus 11p square plus 6p divided by 4 factorial is 24 into del raised to 4 yn plus and so on. Say this is equation number 2. Now differentiating with respect to p on both sides. we get, if you differentiate the left hand side, you will get f dash of xp is equal to, or if you differentiate this term, if you differentiate, you will get f dash of xn plus ph, and differentiation of this pH, differentiation of pH is equal to h only. H is constant and differentiation of p with respect to p is equal to 1. Right hand side, if you differentiate the first term is constant, so its differentiation is 0. Now if you differentiate this second term where del yn is constant, so I will write del yn as it is, and differentiation of this p is equal to 1. Now differentiate third term. In case of third term, first I will write the constant terms. The constant terms are del square yn divided by 2 factorial is 2. Okay, then I will differentiate this equation. If you differentiate here, del square yn divided by 2 is constant. What is differentiation of p square plus p? Differentiation of this p square plus p is equal to 2p plus 1. That is 2p plus 1 plus. Now differentiate this term. If you differentiate this term, here first I will write constant terms. Constant terms are del cube yn divided by 6 is constant. Now differentiation of p cube is 3p square plus differentiation of 3p square is 6p plus differentiation of 2p is 2 plus. Now differentiate the last term. The last term is p raised to 4 plus 6p cube plus 11p square plus 6p divided by 24 into del raised to 4 yn, where I will write first constant terms. Constant terms are del raised to 4 yn divided by 24 is constant, and then differentiation of p raised to 4 is 4p cube plus differentiation of 6p cube is 18p square plus differentiation of 11p is 22p plus differentiation of 6p is 6, bracket complete, plus and so on, and say this is equation number 3. So this is called the first differentiation interpolation formula. Now similarly, you have to differentiate again with respect to p. Now differentiating again with respect to p, we get, so differentiation of this left hand side term f dash of xp. F dash of xp, its differentiation we can write it as f double dash xp, or we can write it as differentiation of this term f dash xn plus ph into h. Its differentiation is f double dash xn plus ph, and already we have h, but differentiation of this pH is equal to h, this h, and already we have h, so total it becomes h square. This is equal to, now differentiation of this first term del yn is constant, so its differentiation is 0. Now if you differentiate the second term, in second term, first I will write the constant terms, that is del square yn divided by 2 is constant, And now differentiation of 2p plus 1 is 2 plus. Now from third term, from this term, first I will write the constant term. So constant term is del cube yn divided by 6. Differentiation of 3p square is 6p plus. Differentiation of 6p is 6 and differentiation of 2 is equal to 0 plus. Now we have to differentiate this last term. So if we differentiate this last term, here constant term is del raised to 4 yn divided by 24 into differentiation of 4p cube is 12p square plus differentiation of 18p square is 36p plus differentiation of 22p is 22 plus differentiation of 6 is constant, that is equal to 0 plus and so on, and say this is equation number 4. In this equation, here this 2 and 2 get cancels. Similarly, from this term, if we take 6 common, here we are left with p plus 1 and this 6 and 6 get cancels. So write down the remaining terms. So remaining terms are equal to, and this is equal to del square yn plus del cube yn divided by, del cube yn into p plus 1 plus. Similarly, in last term, del raised to 4 yn divided by 24, or you can write 4 factorial also. Write down the remaining terms, 12p square plus 36p plus 22 plus and so on. So this is equation number 5. Left hand side we have f double dash of xn plus ph into h square. Equation 3 and 5 can also be written as from equation 3, or in equation 3 you can transpose this h to the right hand side. If you transpose h to the right hand side, then I will write f dash of xp or f dash xn plus ph. You have to transpose h to the right hand side so that you will get 1 divided by h into bracket. Right hand side write down as it is del yn plus 2p plus 1 into del square yn divided by 2 plus 3p square plus 6p plus 2 bracket complete del cube yn divided by 6 plus 4p cube plus 18p square plus 22p plus 6 bracket complete del raised to 4 yn divided by 24 plus and so on bracket complete, and say this is equation number 6. Similarly, from equation 5, if you transpose h square to the right hand side, if you transpose this h square to the right hand side, you will get f double dash of xp, f double dash xp is equal to f double dash xn plus ph. Transpose h square to the right hand side, you will get 1 divided by h square into bracket. The remaining terms are del square yn plus p plus 1 into del cube yn plus 12p square plus 36p plus 22. Bracket complete. Del raised to 4yn divided by 24, or you can also write it as 4 factorial, plus and so on, and say this is equation number 7. So equation 6 is Newton's first difference interpolation formula, and equation 7 is Newton's second difference interpolation formula.